Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the oil life on your Buick Lacrosse. This easy method ensures your vehicle's maintenance system is accurately updated after an oil change. It's a straightforward process that takes less than a minute, helping you keep track of your next service interval. You won't need any special equipment, just your car and a few simple button presses. Let's get started with the first step. First, get into your Buick Lacrosse and turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the information button, often labeled with an I or info, usually located on your dashboard or steering wheel controls. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display menus until you see the oil life percentage displayed on your driver information center. This is where we will begin the reset process. Once you see the oil life percentage on your display, locate the SET/CLR button. This button is typically found near the information button or on the turn signal stalk. Press and hold the SET/CLR button for about 5 seconds. You will notice the oil life percentage begin to flash, and then it will reset to 100%. This confirms that the oil life monitor has been successfully reset. After the oil life percentage resets to 100%, you can release the SET/CLR button. To finalize the process and save the new setting, simply turn off your vehicle's ignition. It's crucial to perform this reset every time you change your engine oil to ensure accurate maintenance tracking. This simple procedure helps you maintain your vehicle properly and avoid unnecessary service lights. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.